Hi guys, Scrapaletta here with another 5-minute quickie. Now I know a lot of us store our scraps or in different ways. We store them in boxes, we throw them in one big box. But I have a tip for you on the way I store mine. Now this may not work for everybody and you may not have enough space, but I use the drawer, the white compartments from Michael's. I have a lot of those, and they have the slides in them, and you can stand your books up in them. But after you use a book, and if you don't use it all up, but you want to continue to use it, what do you do with your scraps? So this is my solution right here. Number one, if I have a lot of scraps that I want to keep, because I know, like if I'm making a baby book, I'm going to be using them over and over again. This is what I buy. I can get these from Walmart. You can also get these on Amazon, and they have them if you want to buy in bulk. But I just buy a box from Walmart. They're relatively cheap. I think they're under $6 or something. And it has a count of 10. They are 2.5-gallon bags, freezer bags, okay, with the Ziploc top. Let me show you how I use these. Okay, if I have a big project left over, and these are still have some large papers. I think I cut like one slice off of this, but I know this was all for a baby girl project, and I normally write baby girl on here so that I know where it came from. And these are papers I want to keep, so I just put them in a Ziploc bag, fold them down like this, and slide them right into a space that I have designated for baby papers. I have baby girl, baby boy, everything in there. But what about that paper pad that you have, and you have ripped out several pages, you've made a book with it, but it's still a big thick book, because most of them give you at least two or three sheets of the same paper. So you may have made a small baby book, cut up some papers, but the papers are still large enough for you to use. This is what I do. Okay, all right, I use the hefty bag. I slide my used papers down in here inside the book. Hope you can see it. Let's put that over here out of the way for right now. I zip the bag, but I put the book in so that the head is facing towards the bottom of the bag. Why do I do that? Because if I just see that I want to use this, I can see what the name of it is. All of my extra papers are caught up in here. They're not thrown away. All I need to do is pull out this full bag. But if I just see if there's one paper I want to use, I don't have to pull everything out the bag. I can unzip the bag and flip right through the pages right there. I could pull it up. I can see my pages that are half cut, and everything is still in the bag if I decide I don't want to use it. Zip it up. I don't have to put a name on this because it's hooray. It says it right here. I can see it, and it's in the book. And that way, when I finally do use all this book up, my bag is reusable on another one. So that's my 5-minute tip, guys. Hope it helps somebody with all of those scraps that we all know we have. And until next time, happy scrapping.